guys, it's Michelle. This is a super quick video because I've never used this before. First impressions tutorial type thing using the Soap and Glory Archery. Now there are a few archeries available for brows. This is the Brow Tint and Precision Shaping Pencil, if it focuses. Anyway, so yeah, the gorgeous Rachel recommended this to me. I'm a bit of an Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow fan most of the time. I've got the shade here, which is dark chocolate, if you can see. Anyway, I'm in a super duper rush. Excuse the mess of my face, I'm minimal makeup today. So on one end of this we have a pencil, which, there we go, just kind of crayon type thing. So that is what we're going to use first. That is, now I do have my brows tattooed, they are kind of fading off, but I'm going to sketch out just a basic shape that I want with my brows with this end. Oh, it goes on really easily. Yep, nice and easy. I'm not marking out my brows, I just tend to go with it, if I'm honest. If you're going to mark them out, then outer corner of your nose up past the inside of your eye should be the first point for your brow. Then you should go from your nose through your eyeball up to here for where your brow arches, and for the outside I tend to go from the outer aspect of my nose past the end of my eye right here. Now my brows would carry on quite far down, however sometimes I have my brows that way, sometimes I don't. That's your kind of guidance. And then I'm colouring this in. This is going on so easily, I'm actually shocked. I thought it might be harder to apply because it's not super soft smooshy type thing, but yeah, it does go on very easily. So basically this is my kind of background, if you like, to define my eyes. I'm having this a wee bit lighter at the front. I don't want it to be a big solid line. So I mean, you could just leave it like that, however these are not even, but they are kind of going to do. People always say to me, your eyebrows are sisters, not twins. Do you know what? My eyebrows aren't friends half the time, so never mind. Now, basically, that's fine there. Top, this one's up higher. Right, here we go. So for me, that is fine with that end of the pencil. Now, what I'm going to do, that was the end at the Y here. We've used this kind of pencil area. I'll put that away, pop the cap on. On the other end of this pen, we have this kind of brush type felt pen. Now, this is my little boy, Zachariah. We're in a super duper rush for church, go wash your face. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this to draw on some hair strokes. It's super duper quick, and this is really quick. If this works for me, this could be a real winner. Okay. That was a super duper quick way of doing it. I'm going to zoom you in, you can have a wee look at this. So that's to give the illusion of the fact that I don't have hairs, but to make it look like I do have brow hairs here. That was extremely quick because I'm in a mega rush. I will try and do this a bit more tidy on a makeup tutorial for you guys. So I'm literally just drawing lots of little hairs here. Now some people like this to be super duper tidy when they'll do it. As you can see, I've taken these hairs here are sticking out above the top of what I've drawn, but I want it to look like these are my natural brow hairs, and natural hairs wouldn't necessarily be totally perfect all the time, so I'll have the odd hair sticking up through to make it look like it's real. And as though what I've actually done as a base, it's as though these are my hairs and what I've done is draw with pencils to fill in the background. It's all an illusion, that's all makeup is. So guys, we have some Soap and Glory brows. Not too bad for a first rushed attempt. Obviously I will make more of an effort and have them tidier in future, because I really have rushed this part here. Made it so thick. You can draw the odd wee straggler here if you fancy. I don't like to have them too straight at the front. I like to have a few poking forward and all over the shop, like as though that's natural. Now I've just realised I've not got a smidgen of eyeshadow on. I have eyeliner on. I'm trying to use a tiny bit. So lazy. I need to run, I need to go. I'm going to church this morning. But basically guys, this would be Soap and Glory brows for you from me. So yeah, I'm quite liking that. That's very easy. If you want to have a bit of the Hairstroke look, but you really don't have the time to be messing around with a tiny brush and a pot of gel, I do love the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow for my brows, and I use it a lot because I think it's a product which is very versatile. I can have bold brows with it, I can have natural looking brows, I can have hair strokes, but it can be time consuming. And this might be the answer to all of our problems, all you bald girls out there like me. Brow Tint and Precision Pencil from Soap and Glory, and it's part of their Brow Archery range. Don't do what I did and make a mistake and just go, oh, Archery, pick it up and run, because there are about 4 or something of these types of Brow Archery. That specific one is good if you're looking for the pencil for the backgrounds and then the wee pen in the end for your hair strokes, then that is ideal. I've never been into, I don't mean I've not been into it, I've used Soap and Glory. I think I used the bubble bath way back a long time ago. I have some Soap and Glory, I got this as well, Pillow Plump. This is XXL Pillow Plump Sexy Mother Pucker. Now this is some sort of gel. I chose a kind of clear colourless type one. Lip gloss type gel gloss. Lip gloss. It's called lip gloss, Michelle, get a grip. Yeah. And it's meant to give a wee bit of a tingle and a pout. It smells like toffee. It smells awesome. I feel like I want to eat it. And it's lovely. I actually am going to have to save up some money because Soap and Glory, I've never tried their makeup, and I'm beginning to think that I've been missing out. I'm liking this and I'm liking the brows. So I'm going to quickly fire on a headscarf today. I'm in a bit of a rush. I'm not bothering with anything fancy at all. I'm literally going to grab a plain headscarf. I'm going to pop it on, keep my head cosy for going to church. This is my plan. I am actually not doing a thing. I'm literally just going to leave this hanging today. None of my fanciness. I usually like to do fancy things with my headscarves and all that, but see today I feel like I don't have the energy or the inclination. So today I'm going with no lashes to church. I'm going like so. And I have this wee headscarf on, which is nice, soft, smooth, and that is me and my brows. So thanks guys for tuning in, thank you for watching. I'll be back soon with some more for you guys. Take care of yourself, be your own beautiful, just remember that you're really special. Love you all. If you could subscribe, hit the wee bell, you'll be notified whenever I upload. Give us a wee thumbs up if you like, and I will see you all soon. Bye!